So on the Corsa, it has baffles underneath. You can actually, might be able to see them. You can open and close those baffles with this little switch right here that they installed. It's right there. So if I there we go. So it closes the baffles, and now it's pretty much super quiet, which is good for starting the car up in the morning. You barely hear anything. You hear a little bit, but it's not nearly as loud as it is when it's open. So I like that. It's a good feature that Corsa has on their exhaust. So you open it back up. There we go. Now they're open again. All right, let's look under the hood. Where is it? There we go. Okay. Let it warm up a little bit. Okay. So, it's pretty dressed up. I like it. It's got the catch can, oil catch can, K&N intake, aluminum valve heads. You know, all SRT, Mopar, you know. SRT. It looks really nice, and I like it. I like it a lot. One thing I do have a problem, sometimes the intake comes off because these worm gear clamps, they start to get loose after a little while, and then like the other day I had to do it again, but right now it's pretty tight, so that's good. Yeah, I like it a lot. So it's dressed up a bit. Alright, close that. It's closed. Let's see. Alright, it's a bit warmed up now. It's not perfect, but maybe you'll be able to hear the exhaust. It's pretty dope. I like it a lot. It's definitely well worth it. Yeah, I mean the navigation's got, or I should say the the screen. It's all touchscreen, so that's good. It's an upgrade for me. Navigation's got Uconnect. I think you can put a DVD and a CD in there. I haven't tried that yet, but I mean it's pretty you know, low key. It's nice. I like it. The ride is pretty good. I like the ride. It's not too bumpy. And it sticks to the street pretty much. I mean, unless I take the traction control off and go full retard, then it's a pretty nice vehicle. I can't really complain. So yeah, that's pretty much that for now. I'm gonna have some updates, some mods I'm gonna be doing in the summer. So just stick around for some more videos, and if you have any questions, and leave them below, and I'll try to answer them.